How to change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open YouTube application on your device. Click on your profile and there you will see the Your Channel option. Click on that, tap on the Edit button. If you click on Handle, you can see it is clearly mentioned that you can change YouTube handle twice every 14 days. If you want to change handle name again even after changing it twice already, go to your preferred browser and search for YouTube support. Click on the first link there. Now, in Describe Your Issue, type YouTube handles and click on Handles Overview. Scroll down and you will see the option for personalized URLs. Click on that and then click on youtube.com/handle. Now, click on Change Handle and here you can change your handle name again. You can see I have already changed my handle name twice. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.